Welcome to the universe, Buzz. Today's topic is how old is our Milky Way galaxy? What if we told you our galaxy, the Milky Way, holds secrets that stretch back 13.6 billion years? Today, we'll dive into the mysterious mergers that built our galaxy, the ancient stars that hold the key to its age, and the groundbreaking methods scientists use to measure time on a galactic scale. Get ready to explore the untold story of our cosmic home. Introduction. The Milky Way, the galaxy we call home, is a vast and mysterious entity. Today, we're exploring the Milky Way's incredible 13.6 billion-year-old story and the methods scientists use to measure its age. Galactic formation. The Milky Way didn't form all at once. It was built over time. Around 13.6 billion years ago, the universe was still in its infancy. Small galaxies began to collide and merge, gradually growing into the massive spiral structure we see today. Different parts of our galaxy formed just like other galaxies. The Milky Way grew as smaller galaxies, like IC 694 and NGC 3690, crashed together and sparked bursts of star formation. These processes shaped the very structure of our galaxy. Structure of the Milky Way. The Milky Way is made up of several key components. At its heart lies the central bulge, a densely packed region filled with stars, spanning about 10,000 light-years. At the very center is our galaxy's supermassive black hole, oldest stars in the Milky Way. So, how do we measure the age of the Milky Way? The answer lies with the stars. Globular clusters, dense groups of stars orbiting our galaxy, contain some of the oldest stars in the universe. These clusters formed when the universe was only about 300 million years old, giving us clues to the Milky Way's ancient beginnings, measuring stellar ages. But determining the age of individual stars, especially in the disk, is more challenging. In 2022, astronomers made a breakthrough by studying subgiant stars, stars that are about to become red giants. This brief stage in a star's life provides a highly accurate way to determine its age. The evolution of the Milky Way. While the thick disk formed early on, the thin disk has a more complex history. Many stars in the thin disk are about 2 billion years younger. Some were even born in another galaxy, the Gaia Enceladus, before it collided with the Milky Way. This cosmic crash triggered a massive burst of star formation, giving birth to new stars and reshaping the Milky Way. Conclusion. Our Milky Way is 13.6 billion years old, and by studying the stars, we can trace its journey through time. Who knows what new discoveries await as we continue to explore our galactic home? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates from the universe.